Hello students, in this lecture I will discuss with you the next topic of grammar which has been prescribed into your syllabus, that is idioms. Before beginning with idioms, I would like to tell you what idioms are or what is the meaning of idioms. Students, every language has its own collection of wise sayings. They offer us advice about how to live and pass from one to another person. Some ideas, principles, and values of a given culture or society. These sayings are called idioms. So, idioms are some wise sayings which offer us advice about how to live. Let us now discuss some of the idioms. The first one is a hard nut to crack. Meaning of this idiom is a problem that is difficult to solve. Example of this idiom is she's such a tough nut to crack, or she's such a hard nut to crack that nobody seems to be able to get through to her. The next idiom is ahead of the curve, means better than others. His ideas are so innovative, so he is a way ahead of the curve. The next idiom is apple pie order, means neat and tidy in the arrangement. The example of this idiom is my mother is always cleaning the house is in apple pie order. Or we can also use this idiom in the sentence I always keep my books into my room in apple pie order. The next the next idiom is a fish out of water. Meaning of this idiom is being uncomfortable and restless. Our new teacher looked like a fish out of water. Nobody was aware of the issue. Or we can also use this idiom that I felt as when I was away from my parents, I felt like a fish out of water. Next idiom is trouble shared is trouble halved. Meaning of this idiom is that when we share our trouble with someone else, it becomes less. Example of this idiom is don't hesitate to share your problems with me. After all, a problem shared is a problem halved. Next idiom, black day, meaning it is a day on which something terrible has happened. Black day is a day on which something terrible has happened. Example of black day is my grandmother told me that it is a black day tomorrow. Next idiom is by chance, meaning something which was not planned to happen, which happens by chance. Example of this idiom is he told himself that it was by chance so as to bring peace to his mind. Next idiom is a man of action. Meaning of this idiom is a man of action means a man who is inclined to act first rather than think about things and discuss them. A man of action means a person who takes more interest in doing the work than thinking about those things and discussing them. The example of this idiom is Bill is really a man of action. Since he arrived at the top of the association, he has done so many things. The next idiom is a man of few words. A man of few words means a man or a woman who doesn't speak much. He is a man of few words, but when he speaks, he makes a lot of sense. Means a person who doesn't speak much but acts as an active person. He is a man of few words, but when he speaks, he makes a lot of sense. So, students, today we have discussed almost 10 idioms. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture. Thank you very much.